Breaking news. Kenya High Court declares Nnamdi Kanu's rendition to Nigeria illegal and unlawful. Orders Kenyan government to pay damages of over 110 million naira. You see, I'm not the one saying this. This is Google. You can see that Vanguard carried the news. IPOB reacts as Kenyan court declares Nnamdi Kanu's arrest. Extradition illegal. This is Daily Post, the same thing. Leadership newspaper, Daily Post, Tribune Online. So it's not me saying it now. Most of the papers carries this news. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to read from this report from the cable.ng about this development. As you can see, the headline: Kenya court rules Nnamdi Kanu's rendition illegal, orders government to pay damages. Okay, so this is coming from Kenya. Now let's go ahead and see what this news is all about. It says a high court in Kenya has declared that the rendition of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), from Nairobi to Nigeria in 2001 was unlawful, unconstitutional, and a violation of his fundamental human rights. Okay? Delivering judgment on Tuesday, Justice E.C. Nweta, I don't know if I'm correct, ruled that the Kenyan government failed in its constitutional duty to protect Kanu, who lawfully entered the country, and instead colluding with external actors in the covert operation that resulted in his illegal detention and transfer. So let's go ahead. It said the court ruled that Kanu's abduction, incommunicado confinement, torture, and denial of access to food, water, medication, and legal representation constituted serious violation of his rights as protected under the Kenyan constitution. Okay, now the judge also granted Kanu 110 million naira in 10 million naira in Kenyan currency equivalent, so in general damages, and ordered the Attorney General of Kenya to cover the cost of the litigation. Okay, now this is the ruling. I quote: "The Constitution is clear that the Bill of Rights binds not only state organs but every person within the territory of Kenya. In that regard, Mr. Nnamdi Kanu's rights were recognized and protected by our Bill of Rights," the judge said. So this is Kenya government, Africa, same Africa, and this case have been in Nigerian High Court for years. I don't really know what is going on. So this case was filed by, let me scroll down, I think Nnamdi Kanu's brother. Let's scroll down. It says Kanu's brother Kingsley Kanu had filed the petition in Nairobi, naming as respondents the Cabinet Secretary of the Ministry of Interior, the Director of Immigration Service, the Director of Criminal Investigations, and officer commanding Police Division at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, and the Attorney General as well. So these are the people he named as respondents in that case he filed, Nnamdi Kanu's brother. So you can see the judgment coming from lawyers, attorneys in Kenya, and this case is still here in Nigeria. They're kind of massaging the case. So that's what's up. That is it, the update, straight to the point. Kalu have won another case in Kenya showing that he was illegally abducted from Kenya. It's clear, okay? But the case is still going on. So we believe that at the end of the day, justice will prevail and he will be free, okay?